Hi, I'm here with this 2011 Mercedes-Benz C300 Luxury, and I'll be doing front brakes on here. First thing I do is I lift the vehicle, support it where the control arms are, because there's a different setup than a front-wheel drive vehicle. And I'm gonna move the wheel. And put my jack stand in place. And the first thing I'll do is take off this Torx bit screw here. Hopefully I get it off without any problems. Okay, I got the that bolt off, but that little screw. Took a T30 Torx bit to get it off. Next I used a 1/2 inch and remove the caliper. This is the other bolt here. And those two take the 1/2 inch. Okay, then carefully remove the caliper. I use the screwdriver and push and wedge it in here and push this in so the caliper goes in some. This helps it, makes it easier for it to be removed. With the brake pads. Okay, here's one of the bolts. This one. And this one. Take an 18mm socket to remove them. And that'll remove the brake caliper bracket. You just remove the rotor. Okay, I got the new rotor installed. This is what they sold us, the drilled kind. So next I'm going to install the caliper bracket. With the two bolts, I take 18mm socket to install. And then I'll lube the guide pins. This one. And that one right there. Okay, I got the brake pads installed. I lube the guide bolts and compress the piston for the caliper. And I got the caliper installed. So the last thing is to install these caliper bracket bolts. These take 13mm or 1/2 inch Wrench to tighten these down. And also there's a wire inside the caliper. You gotta watch out for it because that gets stuck into the brake pads. It's hard to remove. But that's how I replaced the brakes on a 2011 Mercedes-Benz C300 Luxury. Thanks for watching.